Hi, first grade. Today we're going to talk about Unit 2, Lesson 6. Learning targets for today. I can read and write words with the I spelling. I can ask and answer questions about key details in the story, the swim meet. Today we will focus on the sound E as in, I as in time. Say time. Let's practice by saying this sound several times. Let's say it 5 times. Ready? Count on your fingers. I. Let's do 5 more. I. Nice job. Excuse me. Repeat the following words that have the I sound in the beginning. Ready? Ice, item, idea, island. Repeat the following words that have the I sound in the middle. Mice, nice, sign, time. Nice job repeating after me, first graders. Repeat the following words that have the I sound at the end. Ready? Pie, fly, tie, try. Excellent. Is this a vowel sound or a consonant sound? That's right. It is a vowel sound. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Here we have an I and an E, which makes them vowels. I'm going to say a number of words. Some of the words will have the I sound as their middle sound and some will not. Close your eyes and listen carefully. Raise your hand if you hear a word that has the I sound. Bite. This is how we write the I sound. This is another separated spelling or magic E. Okay, take your finger and trace the I, and then a little space, and then the E. The space is right here in the middle in between the I and the E because a letter or a consonant is going to go there to make a word. Say bite. Good. Let's take a look at some I words. Bike. Say bike. This word contains 4 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, but only 3 sounds. B, I, K. Bike. Because the E is? The E is silent. Good job. Let's read another word. Time. This word has 4 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, but only 3 sounds because the E is silent. I, time. Let's do another. Pine. Say pine. Again, 4 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, but only 3 sounds. P, I, N. Pine, because the E is silent. Good. Okay. Let's take a look at worksheet 6.1 in your workbook. Find 6.1. Here it is. We'll go ahead and do this on our drawing board again today. So we have pin. We add our magic E. Pin turns into pine. Oops. Make it red. Pin turns into pine because our magic E makes the vowel say its name. P-I-N, pin. The short I sound says I. When we add a silent E, it changes the vowel from I to I to make pine. Good. Let's take a look at the next one. Whoops. Sorry about that. Let our words move right on up. Okay. Next word, kit. Say kit. When we add our silent E to kit, it turns into kite. Say kit, kite, kit, kite. Because our magic E makes the vowel say its name. What's the name of this letter? I, so it makes the I sound. Kite. Beautiful. Take a look at the next one. Shin. Say say shin. Go ahead and point to your knee. That's your shin. When we add our magic E to shin, the I turns from I to I. Ein, shine. So shin turns to shine. Beautiful. One more. Say slid. We add our silent E to slid. It turns to slide. Very good. The silent E makes the vowel in the word say its name. The name in this letter is I, so it says the I sound. Very simple. Excellent. Let's move on. Ooh, we're going to read another story today, boys and girls. Jump up and down 5 times if you're excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the swim meet is a story that we're going to read today. Let's take a look at the swim meet. We have some vocabulary words to go over before we read the story. Does anybody know what a swim meet is? Pause the video and tell the person next to you if you think you know. A swim meet is a swimming race or a competition. Just like a basketball game you watch on TV, the same thing. In a swim meet, people swim in a pool that has been divided into 4 lanes. At the beginning of a race, swimmers start at a starting block until they are signaled to go. Here are some pictures of a real swim meet. Let's preview the spellings. Say I. Repeat after me. Like, line, 5, dive, time, smile. Next sound, AE says A, lane, wave, wake. Let's read today's story to discover if Josh and Jen win the swim meet. Okay, so if we were in school, we were going to read with a partner, but today I'm going to read it to you. So here we go, the swim meet. Follow along. Josh and Jen like to swim. They take Gran to their swim meet. Jen lines up in lane 5. Josh lines up in lane 6. The kids are up on the blocks. Then there is a beep. All of the kids dive in. Splash! Swim! Yells Gran. Swim fast! She's excited for her grandkids to do good at the swim meet. Josh and Jen swim as fast as they can. They swim and swim. In no time, they make it to the end. Did Josh win? Asks Gran. Did Jen win? Josh and Jen wave and smile. They did not win, but they had a lot of fun. Cool. You can't always win everything. When I was playing softball, I always didn't win everything. But sometimes you have to lose in order to understand how important and how great winning really is. But losing, you never give up. You still try to win, right? All right, so if you have your skills workbook, go ahead and open up to page 6.2. You're going to go over these questions in your workbook. The swim meet, number 1, who went to the swim meet? You're going to say blank went to the swim meet and fill in the blank with your answer. In which lane did Jen swim? You'll answer that by saying Jen swam in lane and then fill in your answer. Were Josh and Jen sad that they did not win? Number 3. You're going to say yes, they were sad because, or no, they were not sad because. Number 4. Did Gran take Wong to the meet? You're going to say yes, Gran took Wong to the meet, or no, Gran did not take Wong to the meet, based on your answer. Go ahead and pause the video now to get these written down. If not, go straight into the Google form. Reread the story, listen to me reading the video a couple of times, and you're going to answer the Google form questions. This is only if you want your child to do some extra handwriting practice at home, which is what we suggest. Okay? Really quickly, if you want to talk with your partner about these questions, go ahead. You can pause them after I read them. Where are the kids at the start of the race? What do you think the beep is at the swim meet? What do the kids do at the beep? Does Josh or Jen win the race? And last but not least, what do Josh and Jen do at the end of the race? Excellent. We're all done for the day. Nice job, first graders. Go ahead and fill out the Google form, answer the questions. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.